Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look into the small cap stocks which has given us a return of 50 to 195% in just 6 months. So we have calculated it from October 2018 to April. So 6 months. So I have the list of 20 stocks which has given us this good return. So we'll get in and see which are those stocks and a quick review of it. So let's get started. So the stock price is as of 24th April 2019. I will be telling you all the company's name. As I told you all, I have calculated the returns from here from October 2018 to April 2019 for 6 months. The returns, the current share price it is trading in, debt to equity, sales growth, and the return on capital employed. First one on the list is PC Jeweller. The return given by the stock is 194%. The current share price is 133 rupees. The debt to equity is 0.28. The sales growth is minus 13% and the ROCE is 25%. Next one on the list is CMAC. The 6-month return given by the stock is 114%. The current share price is 477 rupees. The debt to equity is 0.02. The sales growth is minus 6% and the ROCE is 1.06%. Next one on the list is Ujjivan Financial Services. The return given by the stock for 6 months is 93%. The current share price is 322 rupees. The debt to equity is 4.20. The sales growth is 29% and the ROCE is 7%. Fourth one in the list is SpiceJet. So the return given by the stock is 88%. The current share price is 126 rupees. The debt to equity is 0.60. The sales growth is 16% and the ROCE is 72%. Next one in the list is Kalpataru Power Transmission. So the return given by the stock is 79%. The current share price is 484 rupees. The debt to equity is 0.28. The sales growth is 23% and the ROCE is 20%. Next one on the list is Dhanlakshmi Bank. So the return given by the stock is 79.06%. The current share price is 18 rupees. The debt to equity is 15.09. The sales growth is minus 5.67. The ROCE is 5.32%. Next one on the list is Godrej Properties. The returns given by the stock is 78.23%. The current share price is 892 rupees. The debt to equity is 1.65. The sales growth is 6.77% and the ROCE is 4.65%. Next one on the list is Manappuram Finance. The 6-month return given by the stock is 72%. The current share price is 119 rupees. The debt to equity is 3.28. The sales growth is 14% and the ROCE is 13%. Next one on the list is Dilip Buildcon. The returns given by the stock is 67%. The current share price is 613 rupees. The debt to equity is 1.20. The sales growth is 31% and the ROCE is 23%. Next one on the list is Maharashtra Scooters. The return given by the stock is 66%. The current share price is 3,910 rupees. There is no debt with this company, it is 0.00. The sales growth is 17% and the ROCE is 0.80%. Next one on the list is Kajaria Ceramics. The return given by the stock is 64%. The current share price is 622 rupees. The debt to equity is 0.13. The sales growth is 7% and the ROCE is 26%. Next one in the list is Bombay Dyeing and Manufacturing Company. So this all belongs to the Wadia Group. Britannia, Bombay Dyeing, Go Air, all these are managed by the same family, which is the Wadia family. So the return given by the stock is 63%. The current share price is 125 rupees. The debt to equity is 4.27. The sales growth is minus 1% and the ROCE is 19%. Next one on the list is Bata India. The return given by the stock is 57%. The current share price is 1464 rupees. There is no debt with this company. The sales growth is 11% and the ROCE is 25%. Next one on the list is Suntech Realty. The return given by the stock is 56%. The current share price is 475 rupees. The debt to equity is 0.22. The sales growth is -3% and the ROCE is 12%. Next one on the list is Indiabulls Real Estate. The return given by the stock is 55%. The current share price is 115 rupees. The debt to equity is 1.09. The sales growth is 9% and the ROCE is 22%. Next one in the list is Muthoot Finance. The return given by the stock is 55%. The current share price is 586 rupees. The debt to equity is 2.73. The sales growth is 3% and the ROCE is 16%. Next one on the list is MT Educare. So the return given by the stock is 53%. The current share price is 83 rupees. The debt to equity is 0.84. The sales growth is negative, which is -11%, and the ROCE is also in negative, which is -53%. Next one on the list is NIIT. So this is not NIIT Technologies, it is NIIT Limited. So the return given by the stock is 52%. The current share price is 111 rupees. The debt to equity is 0.25. The sales growth is -10% and the ROCE is 11%. Next one in the list is KEI Industries. The return given by the stock is 52%. The current share price is 420 rupees. The debt to equity is 1.39. The sales growth is 26% and the ROCE is 23%. Next one and the last one on the list is Inox Leisure. So the return given by the stock is 50%. The current share price is 314 rupees. The debt to equity is 0.44. The sales growth is 17% and the ROCE is 15%. So these are the list of 20 stocks which has given us a return of 50 to 195% in just 6 months. So if at all you all want to invest in any of these stocks, please do your research and then start investing, as this is not a stock recommendation from our side, but I just wanted to let you all know that these small cap stocks in just 6 months has given us a tremendous returns, and think we invested for a long time and think the return given by these stocks for us in the long run. So as I always say, start thinking and happy investing.
Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.